getting to the last step of filling these new Vego garden beds. I added 2 bags of soil to each one raised garden mixed, one soil booster, and then ran the poly into the bed. I have a few foxgloves and poppies that I pulled from other areas of the yard. And I planted the oregano in here when I started filling the bed with the leftover mix from the original garden bed that was in the other side of the yard. The next thing I need to do is fill these back up again because the soil has dropped, and fix the irrigation to these beds as well. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to move on to setting up the new home for the 8-foot elevated Vego garden bed we put together last week. My plan is to put it right along here where that bed is now. My original plan was to place one stepping stone under each leg, but I was struggling to get the pavers to level. So I decided to make the whole thing way more complicated and decided to create a carpet of pavers under the bed with pink thyme planted between the pavers. I know this is completely unnecessary, but I like the idea of adding something pretty, and it seemed simpler for getting it level. In total, this project took me the entire weekend to complete, but now the beds are in place and full of soil, and I'm ready to start planting them up. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey.